Due to lockdown with no outdoor activities and kids have nothing to do with,
The school management along with the teachers have taken a wonderful initiative of
technology which they are using right now, that's a virtual classroom.
and ensuring that learning never stops.
Now she's totally enjoying all the activities given by the teachers, which is very well explained.
Now every day we look forward to the new activities that the teachers put up on Google Classrooms, and they enjoy doing all those activities thoroughly.
This virtual learning will definitely help to build young minds.
इसकी वजह से हमें भी पता चल रहा है कि टीचर्स बच्चों को सिखाने के लिए कितने सारे एफर्ट्स लेती है.
It is keeping her busy and I'm happy with it.
Thank you so much, Rainbow teachers, staff members and management.
Thank you so much Rainbow School. इतना अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस देने के लिए थैंक यू. थैंक्स अ लॉट.
Thank you teachers, thank you Rainbow Preschool.
Really thanks to all the teachers and the daycare staff, what all efforts they are taking for our kids.
It's a saying that a positive mind finds a way it can be done. A negative mind looks for all the ways cannot be done.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Rainbow.
Thank you very
East or West, by Rainbow School is the best.
Preschool, where every child's dream is our reality, giving wings to your child's uniqueness and polishing their abilities to help them grow into successful, happy individuals is our motto. Understanding your concerns as parents and ensuring your child gets the best of the educational world is our commitment. It is agreed that a child's future depends principally upon the right nurturing provided to them from the tender age of 1.5 to 6 years. Introducing a world built to give your children knowledge, wisdom and ethics. Welcome to Rainbow Preschool, the first ISO certified preschool in Thane, the very first preschool to have its own presence within the international and domestic airport, where every child is special and is provided the best education in the most innovative manner. The school resides in a splurging location, which includes classrooms, recreational areas and a playground. Your child, we ensure, will always receive the best care from 100% female staff. The school prides itself in using augmented reality to bring to life not just storytelling and fun activities, but also study material on interesting concepts and important facts. To encourage creativity in children, every classroom is theme-based, spacious and colorful. The classroom has absolutely no sharp edges and the flooring is made soft to guarantee child safety. High level of hygiene is maintained at the school. Children have fun while they learn. With the help of our educational toys, games and fun activities, every child needs to have their share of fun, both indoors and outdoors. The spacious playground at the preschool promises you that kids will have limitless fun through lots of engaging sporty activities. While the teachers impart knowledge on oral and recognition skills efficiently, the aids used by them are very creative, such as Playway method, activity books, puppet shows, Muppet shows, flashcards, phonetics, fun enactments and more. Your children are our children. We understand the amount of trust you invest in us to take care of them and give your children all the love they need and more. We also have e-learning boards and audiovisual aids to make learning easier, exciting and interesting for kids. The school also encourages field trips, picnics and other in-house festive celebrations, apart from regular school events such as Annual Day and Sports Day celebrations. Your child is in safe hands. Transportation is safe and easy at Rainbow Preschool, as it has its own fleet of buses with safety grills, CCTV cameras, and GPS tracker. We understand your need to be in constant touch with us and your child. This application allows you to remain in sync with the preschool's day-to-day activities. The preschool provides you with an efficient and reliable daycare center to take care of your children. This home away from home functions from Monday to Saturday. The parent pass provided by the preschool ensures that the child is always handed over to only you as parents at the end of each day. Your child post-completion of Rainbow Preschool can be placed in Rainbow International School, one of the best schools for efficient, innovative, experiential and outstanding learning. Cherishing a child's happiness and ensuring a bright future. Rainbow Preschool and International School. Our child's home, away from home.